Welcome to the Moodle 4.1 tutorial presented by the Center for Teaching and Learning here at Western Piedmont Community College. This video will show you how to navigate the new features in Moodle 4.1 so that you can be successful in accessing your courses. As a quick side note before we begin, nothing has been taken away from Moodle with the upgrade to 4.1, but some things have been moved to new locations and some layouts have been changed to add more of an emphasis to the content you see on your screen. And that's what this tutorial will address. Start by logging into Moodle using your WPCC username and password. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the home page, also known as the site news page. There are two ways to get to the site news page. You can click on the home button or the Western Piedmont Community College button, and either one of them will send you there. There have been no changes made to the content of the site news page, so you can still use this page to check for upcoming events or general college information. You will, however, notice some changes to the layout of this page. As we look at the site news page, you'll notice that you don't see the vertical navigation panel on the left-hand side of the page that used to house the buttons for the home, dashboard, calendar, and my courses links. Those links have been moved to the horizontal toolbar at the top of the page. Additionally, the block drawer on the right-hand side of the site news page that used to house the links to our student tutorials and student orientation course is still there. But now you have the option to expand or collapse that drawer. You can expand the block drawer by clicking the arrow on the right-hand side of the page, and you can collapse it by clicking the X. Leaving the block drawer expanded or collapsed is your preference, but you now have that option. This gets back to the idea behind the upgrade to Moodle 4.1 and putting more of an emphasis on freeing up screen space for content. One last thing about this block drawer is that the site news page is the only page where it can be accessed, so keep that in mind if you need it. Before we move on, I want to orient you to the upper right corner of the site news page to the notifications, messaging, and profile section. This section will be visible throughout any page in Moodle. You can access your notifications by clicking on the bell icon, your messages by clicking on the call out icon, and you can access your profile drop-down menu by clicking on your initials like you would before the upgrade to 4.1. Now let's look at the dashboard. This is where the calendar and the timeline have been moved. You can filter your calendar by specific course, or you can view events from all courses by toggling the drop-down menu in the upper left portion. Also, you can create an event by clicking the New Event button in the upper right section of this page. As you scroll down, you can view a full calendar or import and export calendars like you could before the upgrade to 4.1. You can sort and filter your timeline by clicking either one of the two drop-down menus in the timeline, or you can search by activity type or name. Now let's look at the My Courses tab. You'll no longer access your courses via the dashboard in Moodle. You'll now access them in the My Courses tab. The layout of the My Courses tab looks like the dashboard in the previous version of Moodle, so you'll probably be familiar with how it works. But just in case this is your first time using Moodle, let's look at what you can do here. You have several options to sort, filter, and search for your courses via the drop-down menus above your course list. You can filter courses based on course status by clicking the first drop-down menu on the left. Here, you can choose to see all courses, courses that are currently in progress, future courses, past courses, courses that have been starred, or courses that have been removed from view. Starring a course will allow you to store those courses in the starred category, so it's a good way to keep up with courses you need to find quickly. To star a course, just click the Actions menu with the three vertical dots and select Star this course. If you click Remove from View in the Actions menu, the course will move to the Remove from View category. If you need to restore a removed course, click on the Remove from View category, then click the Actions menu and select Restore to View. The course will then go back to the category where it was previously located. Also, you can search for your course in the search bar, or you can sort your course list based on the course name, short name, or last accessed. And then lastly, you can change the way your course list is displayed by clicking the drop-down menu on the far right. You can choose between card, list, or summary. When you click into your course, you'll see the toolbar at the top of the course homepage with links to the course homepage, participants, grades, and open LMS reports. That will be followed by a general section which contains a link to the course announcements forum, the Thinking Storm online tutoring link, and any other general course information or graphic that your instructor has posted to the page. Below the general section, you'll see your course topics. All topics will be collapsed when you land on your course homepage. You can expand one topic at a time to navigate through your course, or you can expand or collapse all topics at the same time by clicking Open All or Close All. If you'd like to view only one topic on your screen, just click the target icon to the right of any topic and it will be the only one you see. You can go to the next topic by clicking the link here, the previous topic by clicking the link here, or you can go back to the main course page by scrolling up and clicking the link here. On the left side of the page, you can access the newly added course index, and on the right side of the page, the course block drawer. Like the site news page, you have the option to keep these panels expanded or collapsed. To expand the course index, click the hamburger menu and you can collapse it by clicking the X. To expand the course block drawer, click the arrow, and to collapse it, click the X. The course index and block drawer are not tethered to the course page, which means if you scroll up or down in your course, they will not move, and if you scroll up or down in the course index or the block drawer, your course page will not move. The course index acts as a table of contents for your course, so you can go straight to a topic or item in your course without having to scroll through the course page. The course block drawer on the right side of the page will contain information blocks that your instructor has designated to be shown. So if you've previously used Moodle, you'll be familiar with this section. Lastly, you'll notice that the activity icons have changed. I'll show you a few important icons you'll need to familiarize yourself with as a student. The blue icon with the puzzle piece is the external tool icon. The pink icon with the check mark is the quiz icon. To attempt a quiz, click on the quiz link. Read the instructions and select Attempt Quiz. Take the quiz and then select Finish Attempt. Then select Submit All and Finish. Review your answer choices and then select Finish Review either here or here. You can go back to the course using the breadcrumb trail at the top of the page, or you can go to another topic using the course index to navigate to another part of the course. The blue icon with the sheet of paper is the File icon. To open a file, click on the link. Then you can either open the file using an application like Microsoft Word, or you can save the file to your device. Some files may open directly on your screen in a smaller window. The blue icon with the lined sheet of paper is the Page icon. To open a page, click on the link and view the page. You can use the breadcrumb trail to return to the previous screen or use the course index to navigate to another part of the course. The pink icon with the sheet of paper and arrow is the Assignment icon. To submit an assignment, click on the assignment and read the instructions. When you're ready to submit, click Add Submission. Upload your submission file by clicking the Add File button. Click Browse to find your submission file on your device. Then click on that file and open it. Once the file is populated, scroll down in the file picker and select Upload this file. Then select Save Changes. This will then take you back to the assignment page. If your instructor has added a text box for your submission in Moodle, then click into the box to manually enter your submission and then click Save. You can also use the breadcrumb trail when you're finished to return to the previous screen or to use the course index to navigate to another part of the course. The orange icon with the callout box is the forum icon. To use a forum in Moodle, click on the link. You can search forums using the search bar, or you can add a discussion by selecting Add Discussion Topic. Give the discussion topic a name, and then type out your message and select Post to Forum. You can use the breadcrumb trail when you're finished to return to the previous screen, or use the course index to navigate to another part of the course. Lastly, the blue icon with a folder is the folder icon. To open a folder, click in the link and view the folder. You can download a folder to your device here, or you can open the documents in the folder here. Again, you can use the breadcrumb trail when you're finished to navigate to the previous page, or use the course index to navigate to another part of the course. That covers the basics for navigating the new features in Moodle 4.1. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the Center for Teaching and Learning for additional support. Thank you.